So if I do 2/3, can I do 1/3 and fill this up twice? That's the cream cheese.
Yes.
Get the cream cheese.
Where's the flip cream cheese?
I don't know. You go get it.
I don't know where it is. Is the cream cheese in there?
Cream cheese. 1/4 cup of
Yeah.
sugar.
Cigar?
Sugar.
Cigar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Spoon of water. Yeah. Plenty. Huh? Plenty. I don't know. How much vanilla extract? 1 teaspoon. I need a teaspoon and 1/4.
Well, finish that.
You have a tablespoon in there? No, you do. Half a tablespoon.
But we need cookies then, or chocolate chips.
Oh, go get it. It's probably in the pantry. Third cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons.
I get it.
Why is it on the top?
Dang it. You have parchment paper?
Chocolate.
Do you have parchment paper, Mama?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, go get the parchment paper. Okay, so what we're going to do is, let's see what we got here. 1.5 cups of all-purpose.
Not the one.
All right.
Done.
2 when it's filled.
Oh,
Bam. Now we got yeast and we got flour in there.
and
Now we gotta put some.
salt.
Now we have salt.
Go.
Well, bam. Well,
What you gonna
bam.
do?
Now we stir it with mixy.
With what?
We
With
mix. With what?
what kind of steering you
I
want?
don't know. It just said stir. It's dried ingredients.
Why do we need to stir it?
Your
I'm gonna
hands
add.
clean.
I'm gonna add
You
water.
guys wash hands.
Let's wash our hands together, little brother.
All right. All people at home, remember, get soap, get the water, or get soap, put water in your hands, wash for 20 seconds
Or 5.
until all the germs gone, then rinse. That's just for people. Stay home, stay safe.
No.
Alright, go mixy. So
Just to
that
help me, little brother.
you go mixy. Mixy.
Put your car mats in?
Mm-hmm. Not the back seat because I need to cut it.
What you did?
So
No.
mixy.
I don't think so. I think it's
Mixy.
You said they're too
Look,
big.
it's yeah.
No, you need to cut the back seat one.
What? They're too big or you can't?
No, because they're connected.
We're gonna. This is what dough is, people.
We gotta cut
This is
it.
what it is before.
They don't, it doesn't go all the way across the bottom back? Or it's got a hump in the back. It doesn't lay all the way across?
Yeah.
Oh.
The front does.
Whoa.
Okay, Matthew, come here.
Okay, I'm back for something else.
2/3 cup of warm water.
Cup of warm.
Bring the way.
We got the bowl. We got the whoops. We got the bowl. We just mix it. We're gonna see it filled with water.
Oh, you
No.
There you go. Now
What,
we
the
got a
mixer?
good camera angle.
For some reason, I thought it was just like you kind of saucy.
Where did we get the light flour?
Flour, the all-purpose flour. It's in the bag.
In the bag.
Right.
So what are we
Spread
gonna
me.
do?
Take some in your hand and lightly. Hey, wait. Before you.
Just like
Yeah,
that.
lightly put it on the surface of the counter.
Like you're spreading it.
Okay, that's good, I think. Wait. No, put a little bit more, okay? And then put the rest back in the bag.
With this one, you got something
Yeah.
like that, like you're spreading.
Just squeeze it. Like squeeze me.
Squeeze me.
There you go. We're making a mess today.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
So how do they make pizza with dough? Oh, do they get pre-made dough in pizza shops?
No.
Okay.
Ugh.
Ew.
I know. How do you need?
You need the dough.
Like you're massaging.
Just massage. Just put it. I'm gonna put some on the dough. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. What do pizza people do? Or what do the people at the
my
pizza
mixer. I don't want to knead.
knead the dough? Here, let me get the dough. Put some knead. I need some stuff on the dough. Yeah, just put some stuff on the dough.
Shoot.
I want to try to knead it.
No, babe, you do not, because there's too much on my hand. Put more flour down.
We need to try it.
Put more flour? Oh no, it's gonna. I don't know.
Mommy, it's sticking to my hand.
Put flour in your hand too.
Give me some flour.
I gotta edit some of these parts out. And just put some dabs in.
I don't know how to knead right, apparently.
It smells so bad though.
It's the beginning stages.
I'll get more.
Yes, please.
I think it's easy.
To be a baker. Yes, it looks fun. Wait, not on here. I'm making.
I'm trying to do on the table.
I need some in my hand.
Go.
There we go.
I don't know how to edit
You
a
done
lot
with
of
the
this
salt?
out.
I don't know yet. I can't see the ingredients, so I don't know if we need it more.
But again, my camera sucks, so I might just end the video whenever.
My camera sucks. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay, little brother, you're doing great.
Yeah. Alright, this is gonna be... Alright, that's a lot. We're making a mess. Make a mess. Make a mess.
Oh.
There you go. Just a little bit. This is the last one.
Okay, I think this is enough flour.
No, it's not enough flour. You just try. You have to. There you go. See, you're clearing it all. Just put it. Oh yeah. Is this gonna be noisy? Wow, look at that.
Oh, brother, slow down.
Just okie dokie. Just look at that. Ah, so satisfying. I had to focus it. Focus. Doesn't matter. Beautiful. And now we are just rolling out the pizza with the pizza roller. We are the chefs now.
We are the chefs.
And here's the final result. Almost, at least. Maybe.
Now, what they said is we have to pinch cream cheese.
Sorry, it's been a while. Now we're getting cream cheese. That's the next ingredient. Yeah.
If you could cut.
Alright, we got done with the cream cheese in the microwave. Now, we put it in the cream cheese. We put sugar in the cream cheese. Do we get chocolate?
No, vanilla extract.
Vanilla. That looks like barbecue sauce.
For sure.
Why does it look so good? Well, we have a technical problem.
Oh.
Do we mix it now? Do we mix it?
Yes. Mix
wanna
it.
mix
You go mix it.
I don't want to.
Why?
Well, I'm afraid I'm going to spill it because it's yeah. I don't have a camera angle too. I can do it though. You can do the other thing.
What other thing? Okay.
Your other.
Let me see what the next thing.
Alright, I'll show you the afterlife.
Okay, I do think.
And
I might
that's
pick
the
up flour
aftermath.
and others.
Aftermath. It looks goopy and it looks really slimy.
Okay.
I don't like
So what
it.
we're gonna do now?
Pour it on the pizza. We're gonna pour it on the pizza.
Right here.
You need this bowl?
Maybe, mommy.
If you guys can confuse what we're making, hopefully I forgot if I told you in the beginning, but we're making pizza, and I don't want to tell you which one. I'll show you the aftermath. Butter,
Aftermath.
this,
Oh,
and
oh.
pizza crust. I'll show you that.
Okay, ready?
All right, so we added the cream cheese, we added the chocolate chips, and this is the result. Yeah, then we just gotta add butter and play around with that. Oh, you got it. I'll show you the aftermath.
Where's
Again.
the vanilla extra?
Okay, I did not know we were gonna do other stuff, but here's the butter. It's right there. It's beautiful.
One with the salt.
You've got
We're done with
sugar.
everything.
We are.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put it in the oven after this.
And then, I'll show you the final result. How long is it gonna take?
7 minutes.
That's not that long. I can keep it paused for that. Oh, whoa!
Yeah.
This too?
Yes.
I'm so scared. Hopefully it'll taste good. I'm just gonna mix while you're putting it in there. This looks like eggs.
It's. I mean. Sure.
Ugh. Alright, I'll show you the final result. Alright, here's the final result. Looks pretty good. Then we just gotta yank that in the oven, which is already preheating. Let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, 500. Okay. Alright. Just gonna dab the thing in the oven. Then we'll be done. Also, it just looks like a giant cookie. If you just look at this, it doesn't look like a pizza. It just looks like a cookie. Cookie. Alright, we'll see you in the oven.
Mommy,
You can
it
see
looks
my
so
reflection.
good.
It's in there.
Where's the
Alright, see you
Is
when
there a
it's
light?
done cooking.
Where?
Look the light's now on. The light's on. Damn. I just want to just sit here and watch. I just want to
Watch it.
I was thinking
Daddy, it's gonna be better than Mazio's. Trust me.
maybe next time on another channel, when I have a computer set up, I'll just edit it and make it like a montage go fast. But I can't do that on a phone. Alright.
You can't do them. I can't wait. You're gonna be so good.
Now just wait here.
Wait here.
Just watching it.
Because I want to watch it rise.
How is it gonna... I don't know. Alright. So here was the final result. I think it was good, but there's just too much cream cheese.
Too much what?
Cream cheese.